You will love the features of this 2025 Audi Q7. Enjoy a view of this premium Audi Q7. Powerful, safe, and substantial, it blends high-end luxury with family-friendly safety and versatility features. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: intelligent auto on-off high beams, pre-collision system, panoramic roof, lane departure warning, all-wheel drive, sun, moon roof, navigation system, keyless entry, heated mirrors, power liftgate. Get the performance and luxury you've been longing for in this impressive Q7. Our team will give you an outstanding test drive experience. Stop in today.